Your journey starts here. Chapter 1: Optimize your LinkedIn profile or page. A strong LinkedIn presence helps people to understand who you are, what you do, and why they should connect with you. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use SEO tools and AI to find the right keywords and apply them to your profile or page so you can build a strong LinkedIn presence. If people can find you on LinkedIn, nothing else you do matters. That's why we start with LinkedIn SEO. LinkedIn SEO is simply how you make your profile or page show up when people search for professionals, skills, or services like yours. It is not about writing more. It's about using the right words in the right places so LinkedIn understands what you do and who you help. For individuals, this means clearly defining your professional identity. For organization, it means clearly defining what you offer and who you serve. Now, how do you find the right keywords for your LinkedIn profile or page? Let's move on to LinkedIn SEO tools. There are two simple tools you use to find the right LinkedIn keywords: LinkedIn search bar, AI tools. How to find the exact keywords for your profile or page. If you want recruiters, peers, or potential clients to find your profile or page, you need to speak the language of the LinkedIn algorithm. The easiest way to discover the exact words to put on your profile or page is to use the LinkedIn search bar as a research tool. And this will be your number one tool. Here is how to find your target keywords in 3 steps. Step 1: define your target keywords. Let's take marketing manager as an example for individuals and corporate training solutions as an example for organizations. Start by searching for the exact role, service, or expertise you want to be found for on LinkedIn. If you're optimizing a personal profile, go to people. If you are optimizing a company page, go to companies. Then explore relevant variations that closely matches your experience, industry, or target audience. The results shown on the screen highlight real keyword variations. These variations can help you identify additional keywords and phrases that may be valuable to include in your profile or company page. Step 2: scan profiles and job posts. Individual track. After choosing the title you desire, first filter by people. Open 3 to 5 strong profiles. Choose profiles that appear at the top results, match the role you want, and have complete and professional profiles. Compare the profiles and look for repeated keywords and industry terms. Pay attention to skills they mention often, tools and platforms they use, industry terms that repeat across profiles, words used in their headlines, about, and experience sections. For example, if you search digital marketing manager, you may notice repeated keywords like SEO, Google Analytics, paid ads, content strategy, and campaign management. Save repeated words and phrases. These are strong LinkedIn keywords you can naturally add to your own profile. Next, switch to the Jobs tab. Open 5 to 10 active job descriptions for your role. Let's use again the Digital Marketing Manager role as an example. In the job posts, look for the repeated words. If 8 out of 10 listings demand, for example, Google Analytics or HubSpot, the algorithm expects to see those exact terms in your profile. So look for repeated keywords. Pro tip: use LinkedIn's filters to narrow your results and get much more relevant insights. Adjusting filters like connections, location, current company, and industry helps you move from general search results to highly targeted profiles that truly match your goals. Step 3: study competitors for organization track. If you're optimizing a company page, search your service on LinkedIn and filter the results by companies. But how to choose the right pages? Open the first 5 to 10 companies that appear. These are usually the most optimized and visible pages. Choose companies that clearly offer the same or similar services as yours. Look for complete pages with clear branding, detailed about sections, and filled out the specialties. Pages with more followers, content, or engagement are often better examples to learn from. On each page, you need to analyze tagline, check the short line they use. It usually contains their main keywords and shows how they position themselves. About section, read how they describe their services. Focus on the keywords they use to explain what they do, who they help, and the values they provide. Specialties sections. Look at the listed specialties. These act like SEO keywords and help LinkedIn understand and rank the page. A pro tip: use LinkedIn's filters to narrow your results and get much more relevant insights. Adjusting filters like connections, location, company size, and industry helps you move from general search results to highly targeted companies that truly match your goals. Remember, copy patterns, not profiles or pages. Look for repeated keywords. The second tool is AI tools. How to use AI to improve your LinkedIn profile or page keywords. Prompts are instructions you give to an AI tool to help it perform a specific task. The quality of your prompt often determines the quality of the output. After collecting profiles, job descriptions, or company pages, as explained earlier, you can use AI to analyze the content and identify the most frequently used keywords, skills, tools, and industry terms, instead of manually reviewing everything. AI can quickly uncover patterns and help you create SEO friendly profile or page content based on the language your target audience and industry are already using. You will find a downloadable file containing ready to use prompts designed to help you analyze profiles, job descriptions, and company pages, and also uncover important keywords and create more SEO friendly LinkedIn content. You can easily copy, save, and reuse them whenever you need them. A pro tip: the more specific your input in the prompt, the stronger and more relevant the keywords. Here is an example of a prompt. The first one shows a weak prompt because it just mentioned marketing manager profile, while the second one is stronger because it's more specific. It says performance marketing manager specializing in paid ads for e-commerce brands, Meta and Google Ads. Another example for organization track. A weak prompt uses training company, while a strong prompt uses more specific input, such as corporate leadership training for mid-level managers in tech companies. Remember, always review, adjust, and validate AI-generated information based on your own experience, judgment, and career goals before using them in your LinkedIn profile or page. So SEO doesn't mean complexity, it means clarity. When the right people search, they find you, understand you, and trust you faster. In the next lesson, you will see real examples of weak versus strong LinkedIn profiles and company pages, so you can clearly spot what works, what doesn't, and why.